Multimedia project design. To design and develop multimedia project involves skills such as designing and conceptualization of the end product, able to use various tools and software in multimedia authoring, and able to integrate multimedia resources. These skills are essential because multimedia application requires consideration in synchronization of media elements, interface development, and choosing the right technologies to use. In developing a multimedia project, the activities involved can be classified into 5 development phases: analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. In short, this is called AD project development model. The first one is analysis phase, which is to study the project requirements and come up with the system specification. The study can involve user analysis, content analysis, and technical analysis. This analysis includes who are the potential users and their level of computer literacy, what kind of content that will be in the multimedia project, and the hardware and software requirements. After gathering this information, developer can begin designing the multimedia project. This involves user interface design, such as how the user will navigate through the application. Take note that the key feature of multimedia application is it's creatively designed and resourceful, and it also beautiful and full of knowledge. Other than user interface, developers should also have the technical design in terms of formats and standard for the multimedia elements such as videos, graphics, and audio. After deciding on the design, the project can be developed according to the design using the suitable multimedia authoring tools or software. A prototype can be developed first before the full project. Having a prototype can give a better picture of the navigation structure, which determines how the user explores through the application from screen to screen. Navigation structure can be linear and non-linear. A linear navigation structure allows the user to move through the application sequentially from beginning to end without any branching option, such as training application that requires students to develop certain skills before moving to the next level. On the other hand, a non-linear navigation structure will allow the user to explore different areas within the multimedia application at personal choice. Thus, this makes the application more interactive. Non-linear navigation structure is a common structure used in websites or games. When developing a multimedia content, the workflow is basically capturing input, processing the input, and presentation of the output. Usually, input that involves multimedia data will need to be compressed and then decompressed, or it need to be converted between data format, such as conversion of digital audio data from .wav to .mp3 format. In processing multimedia project, we should practice buy high and sell low, which looks like we are losing if we are in the stock market, but what it means here is that all of the multimedia elements such as image, audio, video should be digitized at the highest possible resolution. Reducing the resolution of your multimedia content should be last after the editing and the altering has completed. This is because a multimedia-based file can degrade rapidly if a previously compressed document being recompressed. In implementation phase, media is integrated with the codes of your project and then deployed for the user to gain access. For example, deploying a web-based project on a web server so that it can be accessed via internet. Finally, to ensure the quality of the multimedia project, it should be evaluated and tested. There are two types of evaluation: formative and summative. Formative is evaluation carried out during the project development, like testing for bugs and crashes. Summative is evaluation carried out after the whole application has been developed. This is to ensure all functions are working well as intended.